Hi Chaitra, I just heard that you're leaving Boeing and I was a little surprised or shocked. So when Deepak told me about it, anyway, I guess you have to make your decision, but you would be sorely missed. You were a wonderful team member of Toastmasters, a wonderful evaluator and wonderful speaker. We'll surely miss you. I hope you all the best in wherever you go, and please keep in touch. Take care. Bye-bye.
Chaitra, as much as it is really sad to let you go, but you have been a really great mentor to all of us in my part of Toastmasters journey. We'll really miss you and all the best for all your future endeavors.
Hi Chaitra, I will really miss you. Every Wednesday, I was always sure that there is one role is going to be taken by Chaitra, and there's a space that you will leave that no one else can fill, and not just me but the whole Boeing Bangalore Toastmasters Club is going to feel your absence. But I hope that you are always happy and always healthy, and we always remain in touch, because I have always found the being kiddish thing, watching cartoons things, and all those things very relatable, and I'm really going to miss you, and I just hope that we are always in touch. Have a wonderful life. Thank you.
Chaitra, it was a great pleasure and fortunate that I could meet you and hear to your speeches, and especially the evaluation speeches. You have a tremendous, probably immaculate way of command of English language. Keep it going. Hope to meet you again somewhere. Yeah, probably Boeing itself. And let's call the Lion King, wishing the Kingmaker. My dad, Mufasa, had said, "Son, challenge comes to only those who has the ability to be challenged. Not that everyone can be challenged. You are the king, and you have the ability to accept any challenges. All the best, Chaitra, the Kingmaker." Thank you.
Hi Chaitra. It's very easy to say what someone is good at, but identifying someone's mistake and helping them grow is not that easy. And you are one such talent who help a lot of people grow by giving constructive feedback. And your evaluations, I'm stealing your dialogue, are always super se ooper. I'll be definitely missing you in the Toastmasters journey ahead, and all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Hi Chaitra Garu, how are you? It's kind of been a shock until I didn't know that you were leaving until Deepak told. So it's been very good knowing you actually. I think we first met at Shishu Mandir through a common friend of ours. So that was even before joining Toastmasters. So once we joined Toastmasters, our journey grew, and you were one of the most active members in Toastmasters, and it's been great. Like all your speeches were inspiring, they were entertaining, and I always told you that you're one of our great all-rounders we have. Like you could manage your family life, your personal thing, and also your social service. And also the fact that you also know Telugu also helped both of us in our interactions. So I truly wish you all the best, and please let's stay in touch. All the best.
Hi Chaitra, I've known you 8 months, both as a member of Toastmasters and at Boeing. Over those 8 months, you have C, challenged us to be better. H, helped us. A, amazed us with your speeches. I, insightfully evaluated us. T, helped us tune out the world around us with your love for Disney. R. Risen to every occasion. And A. Activated the Toastmaster within us. Lastly, M. You have made our experience with Toastmasters better in the time we've known you. And it's been an absolute pleasure. And we will miss you all, both at Toastmasters and at Boeing. Thank you so much.
Hi Chaitra. I honestly never thought that I'll be bidding you farewell, let alone be doing it virtually. But then again, we are living in unprecedented times. From the time I have known you, you have demonstrated amazing interpersonal skills, impeccable grasp of the English language, amazing leadership and mentorship qualities, and most importantly, demonstrate all the traits of a really good human being, something which is really rare in today's day and age. You were one of the founding members of the Boeing Bangalore Toastmasters Club, and we have all really loved and admired your dedication and passion towards Toastmasters journey. We are really proud of everything that you have achieved. So on behalf of the Boeing Bangalore Toastmasters Club, I wish you the very best for all your future endeavors. FYI, this is just a farewell message. I'm still going to ping you and annoy you for, life advices. But we are going to miss you.
All the best, Chaitra. As a person, as an individual, as a mentor, as an evaluator, you have inspired me in so many ways. Thank you for being a part of my Toastmasters journey. I would just like to say one thing to you, Chaitra. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
When I was recording this video, the first thought that I had was, let me write it down and get it reviewed by Chaitra. But then I realized I can't do it, at least for this speech. Chaitra, you have been an amazing mentor, leader, a friend, and just like an elder sister to me. Thank you so much for everything. You are a real kingmaker. I know that you said that you are taking a break, but as it is said that an Indian woman is always on a mission. She never takes a break. So all the best for your future commitments. I know you will always spread light, delight, anywhere you go and whatever you do. So this video is not to say goodbye, but this video is just to show our love for you, so that you can keep on visiting Toastmasters meeting even after leaving the organization. Thank you so much.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिल कभी न आए
Pushpa, I hate tears.
So let's say cheers.